we divide 326 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 mean 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 2. So it became 12 and 2 times 6 mean 12. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 6 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 mean 6. On subtracting we get 0. So 326 divided by 2 is 163. So this much for today and thanks for watching.